Honey, it is still really pretty, but the shedding, honey, there's definitely been like a good amount of snagging and a good amount of shedding. It's still got its lusciousness, it's still got its flow, but see that snag? Honey, the snags are not something to play with.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys. If you didn't notice, I am wearing a cute little headband. Also, if you're interested in knowing the unit that I'm wearing, this is actually the Outre Geneva unit. I'm wearing in the color 1B, and I'll just add a link so you guys can see my initial review. And while I'm at it, I have been wearing this unit for about 3 days, and I just want to come to you with a quick update just in case you were interested in purchasing this unit. Like, the shedding isn't overwhelming yet, but honestly, for just 3 days of wearing it, I'm pretty weary about it. This little bad boy has been snugging up on me and tangling on me, but that does not take away from the fact that it is super pretty and yucky. Even though I am kind of disappointed with the tingling and shedding, I do still think I would pick it up again because it is, just look at this. It's still pretty. Like, you may see my hand getting a little snag, but honey, look at it. This one I just honestly decided to throw the headband on with it because I didn't feel like applying the lace and everything down. I feel like the lace was like looking a little bit crazy for me, so I was like, I'm not trying to have my lace lifted and my demarcation showing, so I'm just gonna give me some headbands and cover it up, and I feel like it still looks pretty cute. So let me just get into these headbands, you guys. This is the package that it comes in, and the other one looks really similar. This one is BLEDS, and it does come with 6 headbands. Each of them comes with 6 headbands. So the first one from this package is the one that I'm wearing on my head, which is really cute. I'll take that off and show you guys a close-up. It's really cute. It's flamingos, which I really love. So this is one of the other ones they have. And they all have the same style as far as this like knotted sort of situation going on the front and then the scrunch back. And I really like the quality of these. I feel like they feel really nice and they're not stressful on my head and they fit really secure. The next one is this cute black and white polka dot one. There's this olive green and sort of off-white one that I like. These colors look really cute together. And then there's this one. Since I'm such a big fan of the color black, this one probably is like one of my favorites because I do love floral and of course the color black, so I like this one as well. And this other company is from DRESHOW. The price of it's a little bit more. It's $14 instead of that $9.77, but it's also eligible for Amazon Prime, so you could also do next day delivery with these ones as well. So this is what the package looks like. Definitely a little bit more customized than the other ones. Ooh, this one's cute. Like a navy blue with floral patterns on it. Ew, this one's like a mustard yellow, which I have been so in love with lately. With flowers on it. This one's like a navy blue with pink flowers on it. It's giving me like Hawaiian type vibes. This one, I kind of don't know how to explain the color pattern that's going on here. I do like it, but it's kind of different. I don't even know how to explain this color, and I don't even think I'm going to try. It's kind of like peachy, like a dark peach. Ooh, this one's super cute. This is like one of those pastel colors. It's like a pastel pink with blue flowers. I'm sorry if my light's a little bright, you guys. You may not be able to actually see this one because it's super pastel colored. The last one is this navy blue one with flowers. This one's cute. So I just decided to get into a couple headband reviews because I know that they're coming out with all these headband wigs, and honestly, like, I fell for the trap and I did pick up a headband half wig that's going to be coming soon from To Wig. So I'm definitely going to be giving you guys that review as soon as I pick it up. I think it should be here within like a week or two, so I'm super excited for that. So I just decided to come and pick up some headbands that are going to be cute to customize with it, just in case I'm not really a fan of the ones that it comes with. So that's pretty much it. That was all the headbands. I honestly feel like they're worth it. They're super cute, and my biggest plus about these headbands is if you're somebody who's like self-conscious about your hairline and you don't want that line of demarcation showing, these are definitely a cute go-to to sort of camouflage that and make you just feel like, you know what I mean, like your business isn't all up and around and over the place. I just feel like they're super cute. I like the versatility of them. The quality is really nice, and for that price point I think you kind of can't go wrong. So I definitely am a fan of these headbands, and I feel like they're super cute, and I will be rocking them, and I hope you guys like them. I'll leave links below, I'll leave pictures. So that's pretty much all I have to say. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units or any other accessories you want me to pick up, and until then I hope to see you soon. Bye.